everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Cut the petals of the flower and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to roll it around the green stick. Use double-sided tape and make folds, and look, your flower is ready. Make the leaves and sepal and it's ready. Cut the fruit foam net and make small pieces. Take this green stick and put all of them one after another in a straight line. Cut the extra part and your flower is ready. Place the leaves using floral tape and it's done. Fold the ribbon and put a needle at the center. Now use the thread of the ribbon and roll it like this, and look, your flower is ready. Roll the yarn on this index finger and tie a knot using the wire. Make multiple cut and make this pom-pom ball shape. Cut the extra part of the thread, cut the leaves and combine all of them together. Look, your flower stick is ready. Make multiple fold and cut them. Make small pieces. Now paste it using double-sided tape on one portion and untangle the threads. Roll it on the green stick. Combine all of them together. We're also putting the leaves using floral tape, and look, here beautiful feather sticks are ready. Using double-sided tape, we are going to paste a small stick at the center and cut the shape of the flower petal. Make more such flower petals and combine all of them together. We're going to make 5, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Cut the foam net and then using this hot glue gun, make the edges triangular shape. Now we are going to tie it using the thread and put another foam net at the center. Cut the extra part and your flowers is ready. We're going to cut a small piece of it, and using double-sided tape, we're going to paste it, make multiple cut and roll it around the green stick. Use double-sided tape. Now we're going to combine the leaves as well using floral tape, and it's ready. Take this ribbon, make multiple fold using this needle. Now take the corner of the ribbon and put it inside the hole of it and spin it. Make the flower. You can tie a knot at the back side or use a lighter, and it's ready. Make 2 different size of petals. Now we're going to combine all of them together. Combine the sepal and look, it is ready. You can put it in a vase. Thank you so much for watching this video.